We're having a lot of fun here at Wade's RV. You know, you could come out here, you could buy, you could sell your RV to us, or we can consign your RV. A lot of customers like the consignment option because they find out that they make a little bit more money when it comes to selling their RV without all the hassle. You know, you hear those stories where people go on Craigslist, they put something for sale, or they go on Facebook Marketplace, they put something for sale, and they get bombarded with emails and text messages. I'll buy that for $1, or you know, some sort of scam like send this money to my cousin and then we'll pick it up later. So you don't have to deal with all that. It's so easy. You can give us a call at 405-288-1247 and we'll walk you through the process. It's super simple. All we need is just some information on your RV. The year, make, and model, the VIN number, and then we could look up the fair market value. We could go over if you have any payoffs or what you might want for the RV. We'll kind of go over a strategy, and then we have the systems in place to advertise and finance your RV nationwide. Now, when you come out here to Wade's RV, you'll notice that we have gently, we like to say pre-loved, and so, or gently loved. And so we have some motor homes, we have some fifth wheels and travel trailers that we have purchased, but also some of these you're going to find that are on consignment, because we have those systems in place that we help those customers. And we have a lot of happy customers, and I love these pictures. We got to show this graphic for you guys. Customers that come out here and we sell their RV, and they're so happy and excited once we give them the notice, hey, your RV was successfully sold and financed, and here's a family that's going to enjoy that RV of yours, and they're going to make so many memories out there camping at one of our beautiful state parks here in Oklahoma. You know, not just back here in the corner you're going to see used, you're going to see used spread throughout. Like that Forester up there, that is a Class C motorhome. It was pre-loved, and that thing is sitting tall up front because that's one of our featured units. That's another thing. We talk about the units here on Living Oklahoma. We advertise all throughout the internet, like RV Trader, stuff like that. If you want more information on that, you could go to wadesrv.com, or you could give us a call at 405-288-1247. I don't know if you guys saw that picture, but those pictures are so much fun. You see the enjoyment and the excitement of those happy customers that not only sold their RV on consignment here at Wade's RV, but also the new customers that were able to purchase and make a good transaction, and it was just a clean transaction for both sides. Back to you guys.